What's up, techies? So this is Dhruv from PowerShell Guru. So I will be discussing how to transfer FSMO roles from one domain controller to other domain controller. So for doing that, so we need to check in which domain controller our FSMO roles are residing. To check that, so we will be using one query, netdom query FSMO. So this command will give us currently in which domain controller our roles FSMO roles are there. So you can see the schema master, domain naming master, PDC, RID, pool manager, infrastructure master, all are in vm.test.com, where test.com is my domain. So VM and DC are my domain controllers in this environment. To check this, so I have other query, netdom query DC. So it will be providing all the domain controllers in your domain. So I have created this test.com domain. So it will be my test lab. So if you want to check my test lab details, you can click above. So proceeding to our script. So I have already posted my script in my website. You can check that out under AD scripts. So moving on to the script. So as you can see, I have provided every steps, and I have written the comments. So what you have to provide. So before moving to this script, so I will be giving you two tips. So first, you should be running this script on the domain controller in which you want the roles. For example, in this test lab, all the all the FSMO roles. I mean, all the FSMO roles are there in VM. So I have to take the roles from VM to DC. So I'll be running this script on the DC. So also the second tip will be the user which is running the script must have schema admins and enterprise admin rights. So my name is the which account I'm in. Let me check. Who am I? So it is D Bharali. So esa.msc. So as you can see, I have created this user, and I have added this user to domain admins and enterprise admins and schema admins. So this all will be useful to transfer the roles from one domain controller to other domain controller, and it is the one of the requirements. So moving on to that script. So coming to the first second line, so we have to provide the destination DC. So our destination DC, which will be the server DC only itself. So as you as if you remember, our all the roles are in VM. So we have to migrate all the roles from VM to DC. So coming to the fourth comment, so we have to choose the role. So which role you want to transfer. So in our cases, we can transfer one role, two roles, three roles, or we can move all the six roles at a time. So coming to 24th row, so this will be like if condition. So if we select one, so this hold command from 25 to 33 will be getting executed. So let's take a demo of that. Just running the script. So yeah, the script is asking me to provide the destination domain control, which will be DC for me. So it is asking me to choose the role. So the role which I want to take from VM to DC. So in this case, I will be taking domain naming master. So let's give one and say voila, we have transferred the role from VM to DC. So it will be checking the roles which are transferred, and we will be getting one final answer. Just wait. Generally, it will be very fast as this is built in my own system, so it is taking time. So you can see the domain naming master is transferred to dc.test.com. So we will be checking by netdom query FSOMA as well. give it a moment. As you can see, the domain name master is changed to DC now. So likely you can choose what roles you want to transfer from one domain controller to other domain controller using this script. So if I want to choose all at once, so I can go to the script, run the script, give the domain controller name and choose 6. So 6 will be like transferring all the roles from VM to DC. Just wait for it. I guess it is completed, but it will take time to show us. Let's hope everything is okay. Yep, all the roles are transferred from VM to DC now. So we have checked that first it was in vm.test.com. Now all the roles are currently in dc.test.com. So hope you all have liked this video. So just share, subscribe this channel